Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the header on the page where numbering should begin. Double-click the top margin to enter header edit mode. Make sure you can see formatting marks. That reveals section breaks and makes the next steps reliable. Once the header is active, immediately disable link to previous for this section. That severs numbering inheritance. You're now ready to set a new page number format and a starting number specifically for this section, without altering prior pages. Next, insert or update the page number control and open Format Page Numbers. This is where you pick the numbering style and sequence. Choose the format you need, Arabic, Roman, or letters, and then select Start at to input the exact number you want this section to begin with. Once done, confirm that the section is unlinked so earlier pages keep their original numbers or none at all. Make sure headers and footers in adjacent sections don't auto-sync back. Finally, update fields so the changes propagate. Press Ctrl plus then F9, or use Update Fields from the context menu, and inspect pagination in print layout. Verify there aren't extra section breaks or a mistakenly re-enabled link to previous that can reset numbers. If you find one, delete it or re-separate sections. If numbering still jumps, remove the problematic section break, reinsert it, and reapply Start at. If nothing fixes it, save.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.